Hello guys, welcome to our channel Blue Delta Gaming. Today I am going to review these two beautiful products from Maono. One is this micro USB charging cable and another is this lavalier microphone. Let's unbox this beautiful microphone first. This is Maono lavalier microphone. Its model number is AU100. It is compatible with smartphone, camcorder, PC and DSLR, and you may use this for video shooting, presentation, interview and for selfie purpose. At the back side you can see there is a bit of description given. Its price is printed as 2499, but I've got this product only at rupees 849 from Amazon, and that's not at all big amount. Its model number is AU100. Let's unbox this first. So you need to push a bit. Here we go. So here you open. At first side you can see that it's a silicone gel. You don't actually need it. Then here is our main product. Okay, it's wire. I should tell you that it's a 6 meter long wire, which is very good length. Let's keep this product beside and just focus on our main product. Okay, so here it is, guys. There's a collar clip, and this is a wind muff, and there's an extra battery given. This is a AAA battery. There are very few companies who give their batteries and an extra accessory. That's a very good thing. And let me just push it a bit. Here's a collar clip. Okay guys, so as you can see, the other thing we get is this premium looking pouch, and there is some bit of paperwork. This is just a feedback card. There is a QR. You may subscribe to their channel, you may visit and give their feedback. There is a manual, but you don't actually need it since it's very easy to use. They have given a bit of information how to install this wind muff and all. Okay guys, so let's see what we get in this beautiful looking pouch. So we have these two products over here. This empty pouch. This is an extra collar clip, and this is an extra wind muff, and yeah, we have got an extra battery too. So it's very nice that they have given extra accessory, because these are the things you may actually forgot. Where are they? So here's a mic, guys. This is an extra 6.5mm jack that you may use it for if you are just putting it in an amplifier. There's a normal 3.5mm jack. Let me just insert this collar clip. It's a bit tight, you need to push a bit. Okay, here we go. And there is a wind muff. Let me also insert this. Here we go, guys. As you can see, this main, all the supply, all these things are inside this. It has a two mode, one for smartphone, another for DSLR. If you are just doing with things with DSLR, you may switch on DSLR mode, and if you are recording from a smartphone, you may just go with the smartphone mode. You may switch it easily over here. There's a premium looking, it's total metallic. There's extra clip given. Okay guys, so it's a 6 meter long cable, which actually I think that's quite surprising. It's best for teachers because since they are teaching an online class, then you need a better mic. And if you are just record videos like me on YouTube, then you need this. Or if you are a singer, then just record simple sound. It's not actually a professional mic. You may purchase a professional mic from Maono, but it's not a professional one. But yeah, this is good for the beginners. Okay guys, just remove this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this 3.5mm jack into my phone, and there's a simple way you are going to judge the difference between this my original video and after that I have plugged in. So guys, now this whole video will be from this AU00 Maono mic, and this actually very premium, and you can judge this mic very easily, and I'm amazed, I'm shocked by its performance. You are getting absolute fine quality from at this price only at 849, and I should tell you that this price are in Indian rupees, and I've got it from Amazon. You may order, link is given in the description. So let's unbox our next product, which is Maono USB micro USB cable, and this model number is UM201B. So let's see. Okay, so at the side you can see that it's maybe used for a PC, in a tablet or in a phone. It is 2.4 ampere fast charging, and it has a 480 Mbps data transfer speed. On the other side you see that it's giving some is plus point that it's at bandit protection, long lifespan, and it's 1500 data line or 150 centimeter. At the back you can see there's a bit of description given, and MRP is printed rupees 699. I've got this product from Amazon at rupees only 223, and I also tell you that I'm very surprised from the first product. I am expecting this product to also perform well. So let's unbox this. So it doesn't have a very fancy packaging. So here's the main cable, and here's the same card that we have got in a mic, QR code and all. So this is this cable, guys. This is very premium looking cable. Let's remove this clip. So, and that this is looking very premium. It has a nylon coating over it, which give it a very rigid structure. I can feel its durability, and it's too long, guys, very long. Just sufficient. I know that the original cable that we get from with smartphones are very short. I know that these using a mobile phone while you charging is very harmful, that's dangerous, but there are some time that you need to actually work, and for that purpose I think this is a really good choice. It has a high plastic over here, I would say, as type of rubber. It is giving us extra strength because most of the time the cable gets cracked from this side only, and it is giving us extra strength. And here too we have the same thing, and the company claims that it can be bended more than 10,000 times. So it has a 480 Mbps transfer speed, which is also surprising speed, guys. It has 2.4 MP of charging, and this color is looking very fine. And that I think I can assure one thing, that this is very durable, guys. Nothing is going to happen for a year. You can use it for 2 to 3 years normally and very easily, if you're not using it for very rough work. So that's how it looks. So guys, now we end our unboxing. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, please hit the like button. If you wanna buy this product, the link is given in the description. Just click on it, you will be direct to Amazon. And I think I'm going to recommend both of these products, and I am highly satisfied with these both products. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video till last.